Hey everyone. If you're managing weekly reports like branch enrollments, this is a total game changer. Instead of importing files one by one and stacking them manually, we'll let Power Query do all the heavy lifting. In this video, I'll show you how to automate combining multiple files from a folder using Power Query in Excel. Let's jump right in. Back in Excel, go to your Data ribbon, click on Get Data from File from Folder. Navigate to your folder, in this case the Enrollments folder, and click OK. Power Query will gather all the files from the folder. Next, click Combine and Transform and let it preview the first file. Hit OK, and voila, it combines everything and stacks the files into one neat data set. Now it's time to clean up and perfect your data. Notice how Power Query matches all the column headings? If your column names are consistent, you're already ahead. There's also a source column showing where the data came from. Don't need it? Simply select it and hit Remove Columns or press Delete. That's it. Your clean data is ready to go. Just click Close and Load to send it to a new workbook. Fixing common issues. What if something goes wrong, like messy headers? If your columns show up as column 1, column 2, etc., don't panic. Go to the Home ribbon, find Use First Row as Headers, and click it. Boom. Your headers are back where they belong. Still seeing duplicate headers from other files? No problem. Use the autofilter. Go to a column like Staff ID, uncheck the duplicate header names, and click OK to filter them out. Easy. Here's the best part. Watch how Power Query updates dynamically. For example, I've just added a new file for Melbourne enrollments. Dropped it into the folder, refreshed, and bam, it's there. How easy was that? Whether you're working with CSVs, text files, or other supported formats, Power Query makes combining files fast, automated, and reliable. Plus, you'll never need to manually stack rows or fix headers again. Add files, remove files, it's all synced in real time with a single refresh. Now it's your turn. Try Power Query and say goodbye to manual imports for good. Hit the like button if this saved you time, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Share in the comments how you plan to use Power Query to automate your tasks. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.